Good morning, all of you. So today I'm going to start a new chapter and the first chapter of biology, which is life process. Okay, according to 10th science book, this is sixth chapter. So chapter 6, life process. Okay, so one thing that I want to tell you, this chapter is classified among some sub chapters. Like this life process can classify among nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Okay, so this life process having sub four subtopics, four sub chapters, which is nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. These all are life process. Okay, so first of all, in first part of this chapter we will talk about nutrition. Okay, so the process that all living organisms perform to maintain their life are called life process. So whatever the process we perform to maintain our life, okay, to maintain our life, these are said to be life processes. Okay, the basic life processes common to all living organisms. Okay, whatever the living organisms are there, either multicellular, unicellular, they all are having common common processes of their basic life, such as nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Okay, so we proceed this chapter by one. Okay, let us start the first life process, which is nutrition. Okay, see, nutrition is very common term, I think. So we already know about nutrition. Okay, we also study in previous classes about nutrition. Okay, let us start. What is nutrition? It is a process by which an organism obtain nutrients from the food and utilize them to obtain energy and for the building their repairing their tissues. Okay, so कहने is nutrition is all about a process in which living organism take their food and obtain nutrients means carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. These are nutrients. So living organism take their food and obtain nutrients from food, and that nutrients are utilized by them to perform or to perform activities or to obtain energy. Okay, and these all nutrients also help to repair our tissues. Okay, so we know that cell is a unit of our body. Okay, fundamental unit of our body, and the group of cell are known as tissue, and the group of tissue are said to be organ, and a group of organ are said to be body. Okay, this is common thing. Nutrition are defined as a substance required for a proper growth and maintenance of a living body. Okay, and materials which provide energy to the organism. Okay, so basically nutrition is a process in which living organism take their food, okay, and obtain nutrients from their food. Okay, and by nutrients they get energy. Okay, all living organisms do not obtain food by same processes. Okay, some are follow some certain processes and some are follow some different processes. Okay, let us see. Plants and some bacteria have a green pigment which is known as chlorophyll to help synthesize food by the process of photosynthesis. We already know about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Okay, so we know that chlorophyll is a green pigment which present in leaf that traps sunlight. Okay, with the help of that sunlight, plant do or synthesize their food. Okay, and the process are said to be photosynthesis. Okay, and otherwise other animals like fungi, bacteria and we are also human beings, they are do not make their own food. Okay, they are all depend upon plants, okay, and other organisms for food. So there are only basic two mode of nutrition. One is autotrophic and second is heterotrophic. So basic concept of autotrophic is those organisms which produce their own food, which make their own food, like green plant, okay, and some bacteria, they are said to be autotrophs. And some plants which are not able to produce their food by themselves, they are depend upon other organisms, living organisms like plants or animals, they are said to be heterotrophic nutrition, okay, mode of nutrition. So let us proceed this topic with explanation. The mode of nutrition in which organisms synthesize their food from the simple inorganic substance like carbon dioxide, water, which is present in our atmosphere in the presence of sunlight, are known as autotrophs. And green plants and some bacteria are said to be autotrophic autotrophs, and the mode of nutrition is said to be autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so these green plants take raw material by environment like carbon dioxide and water, okay, and with the help of carbon dioxide and water, green plant make their food in the presence of sunlight and it form glucose. We talk about the process of photosynthesis, okay. In a complex process of the green part of the plant synthesize organic food, and the food is prepared by the green plant for the carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight, and the chlorophyll involved. It is reaction is given in this, okay. So you know that how reaction participate. The reaction of the process of photosynthesis can be explained in by this reaction. I want to tell you that 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O makes C6H12O6 glucose and 6 H2O water and CO2 oxygen, 6 O2 oxygen, okay. So CO2 and H2O, carbon dioxide and water is a reactant, okay, which react in the presence of sunlight trapped by chlorophyll, okay, and by this process plant make their food in the form of glucose, which is C6H12O6, okay, and it also produce water and also oxygen, okay. That oxygen useful for human being for their survival, okay. So this is all about photosynthesis. The equation clearly indicate that the raw material for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water. The end product of photosynthesis are glucose, okay, which is basically carbohydrate, and oxygen. So reactants are the raw materials, and reactants of this reaction photosynthesis is carbon dioxide and water, and product is glucose and oxygen, okay. Carbohydrates means glucose, C6H12O6, which utilize for providing energy to the plant to performing their life process, okay. And the remaining carbohydrate which are not used immediately to store in the form of starch. We in our house also, if food is chapati are made, okay, we are not taking all chapati into our stomach. We, if less chapatis, we store in hot pot, in other utensil, that is said to be a stored food, we put into refrigerator, reserve food, okay. So whatever the food, extra food made by plants, they reserve it, they store it for their further use, okay, and that the stored reserve food are said to be starch. They store in the form of starch, okay. It serves as an internal energy reserve, and that is used in a plant whenever they require. Similarly, it serves internal energy that reserved for the human beings, okay. In plants, glucose starch is a form of food that is stored by plants, okay, to getting internal energy, okay, whenever plant required, okay.